Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Sumaya. I'm actually a postdoctoral research fellow in University of Malaya. Today I'm going to talk about SPSS, the introduction to SPSS. Okay, actually, I'm doing this series of YouTube videos for my clients and also my students who would like to do some revision for their SPSS. Otherwise, they will keep WhatsApp me asking a very simple question. So this is actually an initiative to help them. Okay. So I hope it will be very helpful. Okay. In SPSS, uh, there are actually a two interface. Okay. There is data view and variable view. As we all know, this SPS is actually a type of software for data analysis. It will help you to analyze data without without need of coding like just like R software which you need to code to run an analysis. This data SPS is very easy as it will provide you with a drop down choice which you can just choose whatever analysis you want. Okay. Okay, for introduction, uh, to open the data, actually you can just search for SPSS in your click on the icon of SPSS in your desktop or laptop and then go to file and click open data. Okay, so you come up with this windows and then you will need to search for your data wherever you save it. Okay, here I got a data for on falls and osteoarthritis. Actually, this is my PhD data. I did my PhD in medical science in on falls and osteoarthritis in among older fathers, among older adults. Sorry. Okay, so the main things to start with SPSS is to recognize the variable that you have. Okay, actually in any data there are two types of variables, which is continuous variables and also categorical variable. Continuous variables, as example like age, so one people the data will be like 18 years old, 20 years old, 60 years old, 55 years old. It's actually a continuous data, while categorical data is like a gender, okay, or female or male, can be ordinal or nominal. Ordinals means like you have an order on your data, like severity of pain. It can be very no pain, mild pain, moderate, and severe. So you can see an order. Um, for nominal, it can be like ethnicity, okay, Malay, Chinese, Indian, okay. So here in variable view, you will need to insert the name of your data. Example here is the first one is code. Usually the patient code we will need to insert for any health data. We need to insert to assign a code for every samples. Okay, so here I have an unidentified code. So this one we won't analyze. Therefore, I will keep it in string type. So I won't change it. Okay. While false is either they had fall or no fall in the past 12 months. So it is a categorical data. So it will be uh, no history of fall or fallen. So when you insert the data on categorical data, you will need to change the type into numeric. Okay, because whenever you transfer from Excel to SPSS, it will actually by default it will be a string. So therefore you will need to change it yourself. Okay, and then you will also need to assign the values because we have already assigned it as a numeric type. We will need to insert the data either 0 or 1. So 0 indicates no history of false, and 1 indicates false. Okay. Okay, so for age, this one is a continuous data. So we all know age is continuous. Here I use subject 65 and above. So I shouldn't have any respondent or participant with age below 65. So from here, you can double click here and can sort sending. So the oldest will be 93 and the youngest will be 65. Okay, 63. So here is actually some of the outliers. This is what this is example of an outliers. Okay. Okay. So now you know categorical data and also continuous data. What is more important is when you insert the data, you will need to assign the measures, whether it's nominal or scale. Scale is for the continuous data. So here age is continuous data. So I choose scale. So if false is history of false or non-false, so it's nominal. So I choose nominal. Just like that. Okay. I hope that's clear on how to key in the data. Okay. So you just need to make sure your data is in numeric, otherwise the SPSS cannot run any analysis on your data. And also you all need to uh, assign the measures whether it is in scale or nominal. Okay, that's all for this presentation. Thank you for listening.